Since this blueberry cheesecake requires no baking, it's the perfect dessert to make during the summer. The star ingredient is ricotta cheese made from soy milk, which transforms into an incredibly smooth, creamy and silky filling once blended. Enhanced with fragrant vanilla paste and topped with a bright, citrusy blueberry compote made from fresh blueberries, this cheesecake is rich and indulgent. No one would guess it's made primarily from soy milk. The nut crust adds delicious layers of toasted nutty flavor and a satisfying crunch, so don't skip it. Give it a try.
Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make vegan and gluten-free blueberry cheesecake.
Line a 15cm cake pan with parchment paper. For the details of how to line a cake pan, you can watch the video in the description below. In a food processor, process the hazelnuts, pecans, almonds, and dates until the nuts become a fine powder and the dates are evenly distributed. If the nuts are raw, roast them in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes and cool them. Melt the coconut oil in a microwave for 5 to 10 seconds and incorporate it into the nut mixture. You can use your favorite nuts here, but this combination is very flavorful and recommended. Spread the mixture in the prepared cake pan with a small spatula. Tap the pan so that the crust mixture gets flattened. Chill in the freezer until ready to use. Prepare soy milk ricotta cheese. For the details of how to make soy milk ricotta cheese, you can watch the video in the description below. Process the soy milk ricotta cheese, sugar, and vanilla paste in a food processor until completely smooth. Melt the coconut oil in the microwave for about 10 seconds and add it to the soy milk ricotta cheese mixture and combine thoroughly. Scrape the sides of the food processor and make sure there are no lumps. This is the key to the smooth and creamy texture. Pour the filling over the chilled crust. Tap it on the counter to remove air bubbles and flatten the surface. Using a small spatula, smooth out the surface. The surface doesn't need to be completely smooth because it will be topped with the blueberry compote later. Refrigerate it for a few hours until it's fully set and firm. Combine the blueberries and sugar in a small saucepan. Using a microplane or a fine grater, zest the lemon. Squeeze the lemon juice. Combine the blueberries, sugar, lemon zest, and lemon juice in a small saucepan. Cook over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally until the blueberries begin to release their juices. Continue cooking for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until the blueberries soften and the mixture thickens slightly. Remove from the heat and transfer to a bowl. Let the compote cool to room temperature, then refrigerate until chilled. The compote will continue to thicken as it cools. Remove the soy milk ricotta vanilla cheesecake from the pan. Cut it into smaller pieces and spoon the chilled blueberry compote on top. The blueberry compote tends to steep into the cheesecake, so it's best to spread it right before serving. This cheesecake can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. To keep it longer, wrap it individually with plastic wrap and freeze it for up to a few months. To thaw it, place it in the refrigerator for about 6 hours. I hope you enjoy making this delicious, no-bake, vegan and gluten-free blueberry cheesecake and sharing it with someone you love. For the detailed recipe, check out my website at kitchenporcupine.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again soon.